Hello, my name is Robert, and I just come to share a little bit about some herbs that I've been taking that have had a tremendous impact on my life. I had some terrible pain in my knees, um, aches in my joints, and my shoulder and my wrist. And within 3 to 4 days after I took these herbs from Dr. Strand, I'll tell you what, the pain is just completely gone. And I've had some other things like memory loss. I have a little forgetfulness, and I had some other things going on with my teeth. You know, I had some pain in my gums, and after taking these herbs, I noticed the pain has gone away. Had some things also going on with my eyes, and had some little scarring or tissue on my eyes, and I noticed after taking them for a few weeks that that scar tissue is gone. And and I attribute all this to the herbs that I've been taking. I just want to thank Dr. Strand. I was always getting real tired, and with the herbs, I've had my energy level has gone up tremendously. I've been more active, and want to be I can get out there and cut the yard instead of falling asleep there on the couch. I get out there and do a lot of more things around the house, and I want to thank Dr. Strand for this. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Leonora. I started taking my herbs about 4 months ago, and for the last 4 months, I've noticed a difference, a big difference. Um, One of the main things that I was struggling with was overweight, obesity, and the other was my thyroid. Um, my thyroid was shot, and my hormones were out of whack. Uh, had lots of anxiety, also ADD. I couldn't concentrate or focus and just really sit still. And now amazing, just within 4 months, I've had a peace that I've never had before, where I can actually sit down and read a book and understand what I'm reading. Um, a lot of my other symptoms were like snoring, tiredness, always wanting to lay down, having a hard time going to the gym, which I try to go every day. There was times I would skip, and now I look forward to going every day. Um, I'm doing now more on the elliptical than I've ever before. I used to do like 25 minutes. Now I can do 45 minutes with the resistance like about 7. It's not as hard on me. My joints don't hurt. My knee. I live upstairs, and I was having to go upstairs more than 10 times a day just to take the wash up and down, and my knee was really, really bothering me, and now it's almost like I've never had that problem before. One of the other things I've noticed is concentration, just being able to concentrate and absorb everything I hear and listen to. My nails, through my anxiety, I bit my nails uh, almost every day, and now I have nails that I've never had before. My hair was very, very thin. It's gotten very thick, and I've noticed that I don't have dry hair like I did. My back, I had an itchy back due to my thyroid, and my husband had to scratch my back every night, so my skin's not dry anymore. My heels aren't dry, and I'm not craving sugar, sweets. I've been off caffeine, sugar, and white flour, white potatoes, anything starchy. I'm not craving those things anymore. I used to eat, I bet you, like maybe a loaf of like half a loaf of bread a day, white tortillas, lots of white sugar, caffeine just to keep me up. So no more. I wasn't a coffee person, but I did a lot of soft drinks and lots of tea that I would make a gallon a day with 2 cups of sugar, and I haven't had that in over 4 months. Just I've seen a big difference in just in my life period. I'd like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for introducing me to Dr. Strand.
Hello, my name is Karen, and I would like to share my experiences from taking the herbs that Dr. Strand prescribed. I was quite amazed at his diagnosis. It was accurate, and the results were astounding, in my opinion. And my good friend encouraged me to see Dr. Strand because she was getting such great health results herself, and I decided to go and see him and just let him diagnose me and not tell him anything. And he looked at my eyes and my tongue, and it was quite accurate. His diagnosis was I was stressed, and it was quite true. I had spent 20 years of my life in the service industry, and primarily I binged on alcohol and overindulged, and alcohol intake was high. Daily I drank, but I binged, and unaware of having stress. Quite frankly, I craved sweets, and I smoked, and he just prescribed a combination of herbs, and I simply took them, and I was amazed at the balanced energy I felt overall. I was the cravings were diminished, and the, one of the primary other issues that I had that I knew about were sore muscles almost all the time. In only a few days, the soreness in my muscles was gone, and I did not crave alcohol or sweets as I had been. And I just thank you, Dr. Strand.
Hello, my name is Lisa, and before Dr. Strand began treating me, I had frequent headaches, memory loss due to several head injuries I sustained in my youth. I didn't sleep well. I had 4 bulging discs in my spine from a severe car wreck. My lungs hurt from living in a moldy house for several years. My digestion was awful. My gums bled often. I had excessive hair loss, blurry vision, pimples, anxiety, fatigue, and depression. Dr. Strand said he would treat all these issues with the herbs. The AM herbs gave me energy. PM herbs made me sleep like a baby. The headaches are gone. My memory has improved greatly. The tension and pain in my spine is almost non-existent now. I can breathe again. My digestion is much better. I lost several inches from my waistline. My gums are better. My hair is thicker. Pimples are less, and eyesight is better. I now realize that good health is my true wealth. I'm so glad I met Dr. Strand. Thank you, doctor, for your knowledge and your commitment to herbal medicine.